Well, back on the 06 Hummer. I peeled the insulation back on the wire, both sides. Just took me up a jumper wire for the time being. My little soldering iron batteries are dead, and so it's about, I don't know, pretty close to 11 o'clock tonight, and I think it's about time to go in and kick my feet up. This here has been quite an experience for the owners, and we have fixed our main problem here without too much time. I've still got to check on that parasitic draw. I still got the fuse out of the amp. I hadn't got the wiring diagram on that yet, but we'll just fire this dude up and listen to this Hummer hum. Dash lights are out. Yeah. So far, it looks like ain't gonna be much on the cost of parts. A couple drops of solder and heat shrink tubing. Like I say, I'm still going to check out my parasitic draw, see what they want to do on it. I say this here's a win-win. Yep. Have a good night.